Yep.
Out away from you.
We're good.
go ahead.
We're good.
Start.
We're
And as we
lifting
go,
up.
it's going to vibrate. It's going to shake a little
Good.
bit.
Yeah.
You got your handle here.
Yep.
When you're ready to go and you
can
put your
stay
hand
here.
to the side, don't think about anything. Once we
Yeah.
start the countdown, just commit to it.
Commit to it.
If your feet come off or slip, that's when you could get hurt. If you don't commit to it, that's where it becomes a problem.
You got to commit.
Once it's the countdown, you know you're doing it.
You're doing it,
having
yeah,
a good
just
time.
commit.
We're here for you. We
Yeah.
want to see you smile and have a good time.
Yeah.
And when you push off and you're looking me in the eyes, I want to see the smile.
Yep.
This is one of the lives out here. So you're
All right.
enjoying yourself,
Yeah.
right? You're having a good time?
Yes, sir.
All right. Right. We're going all the way, buddy.
Going all the way.
Lamar can do it.
Yep.
You can do it.
Give me another check here. Coming in really weak and a little bit broken.
God. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Yo.
Okay, we're at 61. He's looking good. He's looking like he's
Yo.
again, 150 maybe good above the
That. Yo.
Yeah, he knows the way to oscillate.
How do you feel right now? You watch your dad jump.
This is almost.
Still at 150 to 200 above the LC.
This is some of the most beautiful stuff I've ever seen in my life. This is gorgeous.
Noticeably happening. Oscillations are
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Wow. Where's the mic? Where's the mic? Who has the mic?
looking really good.
I got the mic.
Still 100 feet now. 100 feet. Looks like he's coming in 90 feet. I wouldn't come in too low yet. 90 feet. I'd keep it there as you're moving in. 90 feet.
All right.
90
Willow,
feet.
how do you feel? Your dad just jumped. He's
Yeah,
now hanging out over the
looking
Grand
good.
Canyon.
Oh my God!
Wow.
This is so beautiful.
Okay.
I'm so happy that he's safe.
Goes from
and that
pure
he's
terror.
elated, 'cause I can see him
From
so happy
pure
up there.
terror
He's
to
such a
absolute
huge,
bliss.
huge, barrier. But that is just so frightening. But he did it.
I'm ready for them to put my ass down, though. I can tell you
Just
that
so that
much.
we're all aware, this is that time now where bringing him back down, there's actually still danger that's
Yeah.
left, right?
Trying to get him in.
Because he's on a bungee, every time the helicopter moves a foot or two, it reacts with Will. Will is going to continue bouncing up and down. So he's got the thing in his hand. He's going to throw that down to the lady down below so that they can actually bring him in and keep the bungee from going up and down. This is a very serious moment because that helicopter is over the Grand Canyon. So if you have an updraft, that can actually lift the helicopter up, which would make Will go down first and then spring up really high. So it's really important that they drop him down. Okay, now this is the moment. They've got to jump on him right away and get him disconnected to that bungee and try to hold on. All right, I think we're all going to walk.
That shit is terrible.
They're disconnected right now. As soon as they get disconnected, then that helicopter will get out of the way and they will slide Will over to an area where he's completely safe
Yo, that shit, it goes
and the bungee itself.
absolute terror to the most exhilarating thing.
Move with that helicopter. So they're moving him over to safety. He's doing a great job. This is pretty epic.
That was spectacular.
He's going to come over and talk to the therapist to make sure, or doctor, to make sure that he is absolutely okay, that his brain is all right, he's feeling good. Based on his arm movements, I think it feels pretty clear that he is obviously feeling pretty good about this and feels very solid.
So you got a little bounce in your
I
step?
know, right?
Your name is?
Will Smith,
Your date of birth?
9/25/68.
Where are you?
I am at the Grand Canyon and I just heli bungee.
All right, is this day significant for some reason?
Yeah, shawty, it's my birthday.
Hey!
We're good?
All right.
All right.
All right, all right.
Will, come say hello to your family.
Listen, nothing will ever be scarier than that. It goes from complete, absolute terror to the most magnificent bliss you've ever felt in your life. And I don't know what it is. When the cord works, first of all, you happy the cord works, right? Then it's like the whole Grand Canyon is mine. And I'm just kind of hanging there, and the chopper's far away, and you're not really hearing it. It's like just bliss. And it's like nobody will ever have that view. It's like me and the Grand Canyon, it's like that combination. It's almost like you need the terror to experience the bliss. All right? It's like almost like in life you need pain to experience pleasure. The pain is what you use to you know, the measure against it, but it's spectacular. It's spectacular. It's spectacular. I would definitely do it again. It's spectacular. Huh?
Your hands are shaking.
Yo. I'm shaking. I feel stable.
There you go.
Yo.
I was sitting there with Cherie. I have to tell you, this was a really spiritual moment for me because the two of us having carried light for you, and then you being in such a dire situation, like life and death, and then the two of us together like that, and watching that, and just being there, emotionally supporting each other, just like, okay, let's cover this dude. You know what I mean? I mean, it was really a powerful experience. I mean, I know I was giving you crap about doing this, but that was a very spiritual moment, and just I saw the moment that you were determined. I saw the moment that you clicked. You were like, I'm ready to do this. You know what I'm saying? And then when you dropped, and I just saw that freedom.
Yes.
And I looked at Rhea and I said, we ain't gonna be able to tell this joker nothing. I said, it's over. I said, Rhea, it's over. It's done. We ain't gonna, but yo.
The freedom, yo.
That was so inspirational. That was gangster. That was gangster.
I thought I'd never see you again.
Well, how do you feel?
Like on fire. I can do anything. I can do anything.
Well, let's go on up. Let's go on up to the rest of the family.
Yeah, let's go. Yes. Mama, mama. Yo, it is spectacular. That's her baby.
You are my baby. I don't care if you're 50. You are my baby. How do you feel, Mama? How does this make you feel?
Peaceful.
Wow.
That's that baby.
Y'all just made peace with it.
And I think it was just the whole.
You can just feel God is here.
Yes. And I thought I was going to be really apprehensive, and then after I said. But it was calming and peaceful, and here you go doing like this and waving.
I guess he okay.
It's all good.
Nah, it was great.
Let's go celebrate your birthday. Let's go say hello to the rest of the family.
Yeah, son.
Let's go say hello to the rest of the family. We're doing a team.
Right. All right. Chuck.
I think we're gonna do the.
Dude.
We gotta go here.
You Charlie?
What do you want to say to all the fans out here that obviously watch? What is the ultimate message, and what did you get out of this, and what can you say to your fans?
You know, I'm not going to be able to articulate it thoroughly right now, but there's a real relationship between freedom and joy. There's an idea bubbling in my mind, like fear as a cage, right? Fear actually traps you, right? So it's like, you know, my father passed a little over a year ago, and there's something about the confrontation with death that makes you love life more freely, you know? So it's like the freedom to just be and do who and what you are is absolutely exhilarating, you know?
That's great.
Like, hey!
Let's go and say hello to a Yes Theory.
Happy
birthday, man.
The guys who started all this.
I know, dude.
Happy birthday, man.
Dude.
Without you, this would not have happened.
Thank you guys.
It would not have happened, and
Yeah,
I think we want to. I think we all want to sing a little something for you, right?
Yeah.
Is it time?
Is it time?
Is it time? All right, so here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Will.
That's
All
my
right,
dog.
so let's get Jada and the kids up here as fast as possible. Let's come on up here, guys. I think let's take a look. Let's walk over here.
Oh,
We're gonna
wait,
take a
'cause
look
we gotta
at
get
the
playback?
replay.
I get playback.
You get to see
I get playback.
and experience what you went through.